This is a Chevy pickup truck. As you can see in here, it starts up. I think what you see on it is like grass. They cut the grass or something. And dirt. That's the old sticker from the county, or the glue I should say. Got a dent down there. This is manual windows. Take a look inside. Okay, if you look up here, the dash is cracked, okay? Dash is cracked up here. And the headliner is not in the greatest shape either. It's got a bed liner. I guess it had a sticker on there. AC. AC is working. And we're going to roll this Chevy forward for you. And we're going to roll the Chevy back for you. Chevy pickup truck.